Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Class 6 of us, we are going to study the parts of compound microscope today, as we have studied it in first chapter, living things, right? So today I am going to demonstrate you the microscope with its parts and its function, right? Okay. This is how a compound microscope looks like. Okay? You are familiar with it as you have already observed some slides under the microscope in your class level 2. Okay? Acha ji. First of all, I am not explaining to you the parts. First, I am showing you whatever is placed under the microscope. पहले मैं adjust करके बताती हूँ, फिर मैं आपको बताऊँ. Okay. This is called a slide. This is a piece of a glass, a clear transparent glass, and whatever we want to observe under the microscope, we placed it on this glass, on the center of this glass, right? And we place it on this circular black disc-like structure that is called the stage. ठीक है, ऐसे एडजस्ट कर देते हैं. अब मैं आपको वन बाय वन पार्ट्स एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ कि हाउ what is the function of these parts and how do these parts adjust in order to make the image clear on this slide. Okay, so this first part, the topmost part of the microscope is called the eyepiece. It has a lens on it. ये देखो, it has a lens on it, right? And why it is called an eyepiece? Because we can see with our eyes through this part. ठीक है, whatever we want to observe under this slide, whatever we want to observe under the microscope, we can see it through this eyepiece by our eyes, right? So this is called eyepiece. Now this is a broader tube-like structure. This is called body tube. Okay, now at the end of this body tube, there is a circular disc-like structure that is called nose piece. At the end of this nose piece, there are these three parts. These are called the objective lens. ठीक है, इसको हमने आई पीस क्यों कहा? आई पीस लेंस क्योंकि हम इसके थ्रू आई से देखते हैं. ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस, वाई दे आर कॉल्ड ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस? बिकॉज वट एवर वी प्लेस्ड अंडर दिस माइक्रोस्कोप इज कॉल्ड अवर ऑब्जेक्टिव, जिसे जो भी चीज़ हमें स्टडी करनी है. सो दीज आर कॉल्ड ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस. देयर इज़ अ लेंस एट द एंड, यहाँ पे लेंस है, ठीक है, एंड देयर इज़ अ पावर मेंशन ऑन each of them and they are revolving so that I can adjust. मुझे अपनी स्लाइड के अकॉर्डिंगली मैं तीनों को एडजस्ट करके टर्न करके देखूंगी. जिसमें भी मुझे अपनी स्लाइड बिल्कुल क्लियर दिखेगी, मैं उसको जो है वो फिक्स कर दूंगी, एडजस्ट कर दूंगी, राइट? Okay, now this black circular part is called the stage of the microscope, and on the top of the stage there are these two clip-like structures, one on this side and one on another side. So these clips are used to hold the slide on the microscope so that it will not move. ठीक है, जो भी हम सेट करेंगे वो मूव ना करे, and it would be easier for us to study or to observe it, right? अच्छा जी, अब okay, now as you can see below the stage there is a mirror. Okay, what is the function of this mirror? This mirror actually helps to direct the light, amount of light. ये देखो, जैसे ही मैं यहाँ से क्लिक एडजस्ट करूँगी, यहाँ पे आपको थोड़ा सा लाइट का रिफ्लेक्शन दिखेगा, देखो इस तरह से, ठीक है. So this mirror is used to direct or reflect the light on this slide so that we can easily observe it. Without light it would be very difficult for us to observe cells under this microscope. Okay, अच्छा जी. Now there are two screws like structure. These are called knobs. This one is called coarse adjustment knob and this is called fine adjustment knob. Both these knobs. अच्छा, अब क्या होता है, आप आई पीस पे लेंस लगा हुआ होता है, ऑब्जेक्टिव में अपना लेंस एडजस्ट करने के बाद वी यूज़ दीज टू नॉब्स टू एडजस्ट. ये देखो, जैसे ही आई एम रोटेटिंग इट तो ये बॉडी ट्यूब जो है ये ऊपर इस तरह से इट इज़ मूविंग, ठीक है. सो बिकॉज इट इज़ मूविंग, आई एम अगेन शोइंग इट टू, ठीक है, आई एम moving this and it is right. So by the help of these two knobs we can adjust our image on the slide. ठीक है, जो भी हमें ऑब्जर्व करना है, वट एवर वी वॉन्ट टू ऑब्जर्व, वी कैन एडजस्ट इट बाय यूजिंग दीज टू knobs. Okay, this is another part. This is called the arm or the handle of the microscope. Whenever we want to lift the microscope or move the microscope, we use this arm or handle in order to move the microscope. But we cannot hold microscope only with the arm. This is called the base or the foot of the microscope, right? This is the base or the foot of the microscope. ठीक है, it actually supports the microscope. ठीक है, कंपाउंड माइक्रोस्कोप को ही सपोर्ट करता है. एंड whenever we want to lift it, whenever we want to move it, we have to handle from one hand, we have to handle it with the arm and support it with the base, so that यहाँ पे इसके अंदर जो बहुत सारी इसकी सेटिंग्स होती है, एडजस्टमेंट्स होती हैं, वो ख़राब ना हो. ठीक है, बिकॉज अगर एक दफ़ा सेटिंग आउट हो जाएगी देन हमारा माइक्रोस्कोप जो है इट विल नॉट वर्क प्रॉपरली. So these are some of the instructions that are necessary for handling the microscope, that whenever you want to move the microscope, lift it with the arm and support it from your other hand by the base. So these are some of the parts of microscope, compound microscope. I'm repeating it again, just telling you the names so that it would be easier for you to remember. Okay, so this first part is the eyepiece. We see through it by our eyes. Okay, this is the nose piece, and these are 3 revolving objective lenses, each with different power, so that we can adjust it according to our requirement. This black part is called the stage. This is the slide on which we place the specimen. Specimen बताया था आपको क्या होता है. Specimen is the object or something which we want to observe under the microscope. These two are the knobs which we use to adjust the image को एडजस्ट करने के लिए. दिस इज कॉल्ड द आर्म बाय विच वी कैन होल्ड द माइक्रोस्कोप, राइट. दिस इज द मिरर विच एक्चुअली हेल्प्स टू रिफ्लेक्ट द लाइट ऑन द स्पेसिमेन, and this is the base of the microscope that actually supports the microscope on your table, on your desk. And these two are the stage clips which are used to hold the slide on the microscope. Okay, now your homework is you have to label the parts of compound microscope in your workbook, right, of chapter living things, and you have to study learn all these parts with their function, right. Okay, jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.